Alright guys, I just did some research and discovered that the Sims 4 DLCs total to over $1,000, so I have to make this video now. This is how to get all Sims 4 DLC for free. So go to zestcoupons.com. This is a really cool website, and as you can see, I typed in Sim and we got our Sims 4 DLC promo code. So press on this, guys, and we're just going to wait for it to load. So basically, you can actually get coupon codes for a number of things in the site: Amazon, DoorDash, Domino's Pizza, whatever. But one of the ones they have is Sims 4 DLC, guys. The DLC for the Sims 4 codes. So let's just wait for this to load. It takes a while usually, but it's totally worth it. It's just because there's a lot of flow, a lot of traffic on the site. So there's a lot of people using it. So let's just wait for it to load. Hopefully by the time you guys visit the website, it's not this slow. So as you can see, it says Sims 4 DLC promo code. 47 uses today. Wow. So I'm going to press show coupon code and it's going to generate me my code. So at this point, guys, it's going to say like get full code. So just go ahead and press on that. And then it's going to bring you over here and it asks you what you like about shopping, and then it asks for your email. So make sure you enter your email and then they'll send you the code. So it's literally that easy. After this, you might have to do like a deal or something. But it's super simple, guys. So be sure to try it out. You can read down here. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. If you want to get all Sims 4 DLCs in 2025 on iOS and Android, this actually works. It's like fully working, guys. So peace out. And as I showed you, it costs $789, bro. That's insane. Someone said 1,000. That's super bad, bro. But hey, if you want to pay for them, that is fine. That's up to you. I'm not gonna involve myself in that. But I'm going to see you guys in another video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, bro.